Alright, they're doing the zip line. No photographer for these guys though, so I'm kind of bummed.
The same guys are like, oh, you're back.
Yeah, pretty much. Excited again?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
Are you nervous again about going
Tessie's-
down it?
No, I'm not nervous anymore.
I'm not scared.
Tessie's gonna zip line.
This is fun at this. Where do you? What? There's
In there. You can sleep it in there,
And
yeah.
you take that bus and you go.
She wanted to do some zip line with them, so it's her turn to go. Alright, how much was it?
I know, but
You'll be fine.
Like I wasn't nervous at all.
It's fun, it's fun. You'll do
Yeah,
good.
that's the platform. It's low.
So yeah, it pretty much comes to the last one and gets right here. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna head out. I'll be back probably about 10:30. Have fun. Nummy. Try you. You guys get done eating some cheese puffs? Getting ready to packing up, heading out.
We go to a beach.
We're going to the beach. Say Playa Flamingo.
Yeah.
Oh, cheesy face. All right, I got the whole car packed up. Rhett, Brock, and Tessie are all done zip lining. We dropped them off a little bit ago. I just came back to get everything loaded up in the car. They're already done. It was pretty quick. It took like an hour, hour and a half. I just gotta make sure everything's shut off in here. Get the doors locked up. Yeah. Last time in this volcano spot. Can't see it today. It's all covered by them clouds, but it kind of looks like it's gonna be some scattered thunderstorms today. Pretty sick spot. Everybody had a good time. Just chilling, watching YouTube, babysitting while I load up. And yeah, we're out of here. We did break a plate, so I gotta leave a couple Costa Rican dollars just to make up for it, I gotta be honest. Yeah, let's go get the others and head off to the beach. I'm coming.
God damn. There's a bunk bed and a big bed.
Yeah, I know there's a lot of bedrooms in this thing.
Well, where do we sleep in?
Let me see.
This is
Made it to the condo.
our room right here. This bunk bed. There's another set of bunk beds you guys can have.
I know.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of beds.
Air conditioning thing, that's good.
There's 2 rooms and 1 room.
Oh, this is straight luxury.
Whole balcony.
Too bad it wasn't
Which one are we taking?
the view.
What do you
There's one in
mean?
the other room too.
God damn.
Space for the baby.
You guys want
Sick,
this
eh?
one?
Yeah.
There's like 8 beds, couple sets of bunk beds. What do you think, Brock? What do you think, Amara? Pretty sick or what?
No, it's good.
Thumbs up. This is wild. Look at these views. God dang. But yeah, we made it. It was as tough as the drive was. Vader threw up again on the way here. Almost had to go through a little river stream just to get to this place. 2-floor condo suite.
Look at this like this. This is sick.
Yeah, this is wild. Vader threw up in the car. She's got sprayed off with the hose outside. Poor girl.
Take a nap right there.
I know, this is so sick.
Your dad.
We're gonna work out.
Dad, look at it. I don't look at it.
Oh yeah.
It's still heavy, Dad. Look at it.
This is so cool.
I know, right?
This is sick.
I know.
Switch the weight.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let me
Yeah, we have to get a pump before we go to the beach, huh? So this is Flamingo right here. This one. It's supposed to be like white sand. Watch your fingers. This is an awesome freaking place.
Daddy, where's our room?
I didn't even hop on the beds to see if they're comfortable or not. Well, what do you think? It's nice as hell, huh?
Yeah, I want to start a load of laundry, and
I know. I have to put all my little pins on this thing. This is obviously the guy that lives here, but
or maybe it's where people come from. No.
that could be it too. This place was only $325 a night. That's like a steal compared to a hotel.
How much was the other last one tonight?
A little less, probably 300.
This one's way more worth it.
All right, let's turn this AC on though right here. Where's the remote?
Every single one upstairs is on 62.
Yeah, let's get this place nice and cold. Yeah, well worth it.
They gave you a wine.
Daddy,
I'm gonna open it right now.
You need
Alright.
this as the house.
I know, we should get one of
You can
those.
mark all your spots on there. Why don't you get something like this?
I'm gonna now that I see this thing. Put it right in the damn living room.
Take a photo of it so you can like save it.
I know. Screenshot it. Alright, we're gonna get the suitcases from the car, get unpacked, and chill.
Family photos just to put that up.
Might have to. Now it's looking right at you. Now you can just talk. Walk around and talk.
Daddy, show upstairs. Show us upstairs, but we can't go up there. And I saw you kitchen, sir. Huh? Nothing. Hey, don't tell me, Dad.
Don't tell you?
No.
Alright, you just do your own thing.
Here's the kitchen. Here's the chips.
You love this place, huh?
Yeah. And here's my suitcase. Here's the dad. Here's Beta. Here's the poo bag. Oh, the towel. Okay.
I know. I'm glad we got.
Mommy, I want the pink ones.
Alright, so see you later, everybody. See you at the beach.
See you at the beach.
Nice. Yeah, I made it to the condo pool. It's pretty nice. Wonder if there's any monkeys that jump around back here in the mornings. I'm not sure. You're doing good, Amara. Sipping a nice cold Imperial. Rhett's taking a nap. Tessie's up there relaxing, I think reading her book. And I brought the kids down here to the pool. Okay, I'll get them. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. Might go eat this Coco Loco down there on the beach, but I might save that for tomorrow night. I'm not too sure. But that condo is sick. It far exceeds the pictures from Airbnb. It's so nice. The coconuts up in the trees. Pretty cool place. Ready, set, go.
I can't wait.
You get any goggles? They should be in there. See if you can find them. By about 2 inches.
And the father wins.
Bro, Daddy ain't even trying.
Hit me on the head.
That one. Dude, I stopped because I thought you were in a...
Barely.
I stopped because when you stopped, I thought something was wrong.
I stopped you on the way up. Hopefully there's monkeys up in these trees in the morning. That'd be sick. Eating them coconuts. Made it to this Coco Loco, this beach restaurant. This is the Loco Coco. There's mussels, shrimp, some good rice, coconut rice.
Whatever they caught.
Yeah, local fish of the day. Some coconut milk. Tessie got the lobster risotto. What'd you get?
Fries and chicken.
Fries and chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Well, that looks delicious. What is this, like a ranch? Let me try. That's good. Big old burger. The Loco burger.
Some lobster.
And he's railing a lobster over here. God damn. Couple good beers. Beta got some chicken strips. I'm taking a video of everybody eating. Alright, let me dig in. Is that good? Alright, I'm gonna eat this pig out. What do you see?
Right there, baby crab.
They're all over the sand.
I found like 5 crabs.
Baby crabs.
Oh yeah.
Pick it up.
Little baby crabs.
What is it?
Checking out the beach. Just got done eating this Coco Loco down here, Flamingo Beach. It's pretty damn good. You know, anybody that has a couple babies realizes how hectic it can be at a meal. Especially when you're spending a lot of money on a good meal. It's like, Jesus, we gotta go, but then you're also spending a lot of money on a good meal, so you almost gotta, you know, just enjoy the hectic part of it. Come here, Ma. What do you think? You like the beach? You having fun? Oh, look at that thing. Mara, I like crab meat.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. We're out of here. I don't think I've even been properly like ending these videos daily. But yeah, this is like day 4, day 5 here. Pretty sick place, Playa Flamingo. I think tomorrow's just gonna be a big beach day. I'm just gonna stay the whole day down there and just enjoy the sand, the water. It's about 9:30. We just laid around, watched some TV, relaxed, enjoyed this condo. Man, I'm beat. It's been a long day. It was like a 4-hour drive today. Just a heads up, if you guys are renting a car and driving yourselves, the roads are pretty, I mean, they're not horrible, but your kids might get sick. So I recommend getting like a little ear patch, you know, that was like Dramamine or something like that. Motion sickness, because those roads are just like every which way. And Beta, the youngest, the baby, she actually threw up on the way here and on the way back. Or on the way to La Fortuna and on the way to here. So just be prepared for some puke in the car maybe, yeah. And besides that, the other ones did pretty good, but damn it, the roads get pretty treacherous. A lot of potholes, some dirt roads, but makes it fun, makes it part of the journey. This one, sleeping on the couch. She does not go to sleep. She doesn't take a nap and she's up all day. All right, everybody, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow from Playa Flamingo. It's the day on the beach. All right, later.